We often hear that traffic is the lifeblood of any business, but the wrong type of traffic can be the death of businesses marketing online, and many companies get this bad traffic without even knowing it. Hi, this is Matt Garrett, and I've been on the wrong side of the traffic equation before. Years ago, my first site was hacked and it was a nightmare. It took me months to realise it had actually happened, and in all that time I was losing leads and profits. Then it took days to get things restored, and the loss I took was devastating. Today I manage hundreds of profitable websites both personally and for clients, and it's essential to keep these sites secure. Now, just weeks ago, on the 21st of October, practically half the internet was shut down by junk traffic. Authority sites including Twitter, Reddit, CNN, Amazon, PayPal and many more were out of service for hours. It's estimated that millions of dollars in online transactions were lost that day, and the cause? Bad traffic sent on an epic scale. What's really scary is that these kind of attacks occur daily, and even against small businesses, web servers like yours and mine. If the culprits find a weakness, they'll attack, and without security, you're left helpless. On even a small scale, bad traffic can drastically slow your site speed, and for every extra second it takes a site to load, conversions decrease up to 7%, meaning a direct loss of leads and sales. On a larger scale, if attackers find a weakness in your sites, they can put you out of business by stealing your subscriber details, redirecting your traffic, replacing your money links, and even hijacking your paid content. It's critical to understand that WordPress sites are especially at risk. 4 out of 5 hacked websites on average run WordPress. With attacks like these becoming more common, it's more important now than ever to secure your WordPress servers. There's a huge upside to server security. Not only do you protect your subscriber information and content, but shutting out bad traffic actually adds to your bottom line profits. How? Well, by speeding up your site so you get an instant boost to conversions, a lower bounce rate, and increased search engine ranking for free, quality traffic. Authority sites including Cisco, Nasdaq, and even the White House secure their servers with the best systems available, using CloudFlare, the industry standard in protecting web servers against all types of online threats. On average, sites protected with CloudFlare load up to 200% faster while using 60% less bandwidth. But if it's so great, why isn't everyone using it? Well, because it's an absolute nightmare to set up on your own. There are so many settings involved, it overwhelms most users, and if you miss just a single step, you can leave your servers open to attack. Web security is so important that I don't think technical issues should be a barrier. So I've spent many months developing a solution that provides top-level server security for webmasters with zero experience required. Introducing CloudDefender Total WordPress Security System. I developed CloudDefender to secure servers for both my own business and those of my clients. It maximizes profits from all our money sites by optimizing speed, conversions, and traffic. CloudDefender includes both software and training. 4 100% free plugins are included with step-by-step guides to setting them up quickly. Once in place, this system will protect your server from over 99.9% of all online threats. You won't need any technical skills. If you've got a WordPress site and know how to install a plugin, you can get this set up yourself in no time. With CloudDefender in place, your server will be secured against bad bot traffic, content scrapers, and hacking attempts at the server level. Your site will load faster, and you'll avoid excess bandwidth overage charges, all while increasing SEO scores and conversions. A double redundant system means your sites will stay online no matter what, meaning your leads, profits and future income are secure at all times. Now let's face it, server security isn't sexy, but it is so important I feel everyone should have it, so I'm going to make this a no-brainer for you. As a launch exclusive, I'm including developer rights to CloudDefender. What does this mean for you? You can rebrand this service as your own, then sell it to clients. And with over 74 million sites running WordPress, that's a pretty massive market. With the attacks of October 21st so fresh on everyone's mind, there's never been a better time to get in the business of server security. You can be the one providing industry-leading protection to your clients for whatever you want to charge. Today, you can both lock down your own server, enjoy faster sites, increased conversions and more free traffic, and profit in the process by simply setting up the same security for unlimited clients. Let's take this a step further. I'm so confident in this complete security system that I'll put my money where my mouth is. Take CloudDefender for a spin for 30 days, enjoy every benefit we've discussed, or your money back, no quibbles, no arguments. Either you experience maximum server security, increased site speed, higher conversions and more organic traffic, plus recognize the ability to earn passive monthly income providing this as a service, or your money back, no questions, hassles or hard feelings. Remember, they're out there. Hackers, automated bots and page scrapers, they're after your online business. This is your chance to stop them all in their tracks while optimizing your sites for speed, conversions and organic traffic, and getting paid to do it. Click the button below for instant access or check out more details including the FAQs further down the page. Just be quick in your decision. The hackers aren't resting and neither should you. This exclusive launch discount is only available for a very limited period. You've got nothing to lose when you take action now, so hit that button and I look forward to welcoming you inside the members area.